Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're reviewing Alto Pharmacy, a popular online pharmacy known for its convenient and efficient prescription delivery. All the links you need are down below. Alto simplifies getting your meds. Skip the pharmacy lines and get your prescriptions delivered, often same day or next day. Alto provides personalized care with a dedicated pharmacist for every user. Ask questions and get guidance throughout your treatment. This individual attention is great for complex prescriptions or ongoing medication management. Alto's app makes managing refills, tracking orders, and contacting your pharmacist easy. Alto Pharmacy is perfect if you value convenience, efficiency, and top-notch customer service. It's especially helpful for busy people, those needing regular prescriptions, or anyone with specific medication needs. It's also great if you live in a city with fast, reliable delivery. Ordering is simple. Once you submit your prescription, Alto handles everything, from verification to insurance. You'll get updates every step of the way. Alto Pharmacy offers a reliable and user-friendly experience. With personalized care, fast delivery, and an intuitive app, it's a great choice for easy and convenient medication management.